Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones. There is an illustration of what the earphones are supposed to look like. This is a neckband design earphone. This is also the base edition, and the color of this particular earphone, neckband style earphone, is bold black as it is written over here. Do we have any more information? Yes, we do. This comes with bass boost. This particular earphone comes with bass boost, 17 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistance. You can charge for 10 minutes to get 10 hours of playback time. Can receive clear and stable calls, and also has magnetic controls. Now let's open this box and take a closer look at the device itself. Where do we open it from? I'm assuming from here. Yeah, there you go. Sound you can feel, it's written right over here. Okay, there's another box. Looks very classy, to be very fair. So this is what you get inside this box. This is all you get inside this box. So you can see what the neckband style headphones look like, but I'll come to it in a while. First, let's see what's in this little box over here. Okay, a lot of documents and some accessories. We have the user guide. Let's get started. This is the user guide for the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition earphones. All the instruction guides that you need are all given in this particular document. I'm going to leave this over here. Next up, we have a red cable club, basically a thank you note kind of from OnePlus. This is a USB-C type charging cable that comes with this particular set of earphones. You can see it has a nice red and white color scheme, which is reminiscent of any OnePlus product. Trademark any OnePlus product. And in this small pouch, we have two extra silicone tips pairs. One is small and the other is large. Now let's take a look at the earphones themselves. This is a neckband style earphone. I want to pull this out very slowly. The heads are taped, so I'm going to remove that tape. 1, 2, there you go. They're out now. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. The neckband is very flexible. You can see how easily I can turn it around like so. It's very flexible. It looks like PVC, but it's also very tough. Like when I'm pulling, it's stretching a bit. So this is not very easy to break. That's a good touch. There are two modules over here. On one of these modules, you can see the OnePlus logo written. The other module has this plastic cover on top. Let me just get rid of this. 1 second. There we are. Let's do it from here. There you go. On this module, you will notice the multifunction button, volume rockers, and also a mic. Next up, we have the cable that leads to the heads themselves. These are magnetic heads, and they also come with an angular nozzle. You will notice that there is like a 45-degree angle to these nozzles. And of course, these are magnetic heads. This is a great addition. This means that when you're wearing it, over your neck, you won't lose them easily. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition earphones. Thank you for watching.